Muhammad from Malaysia.
Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamualaikum.
When you are the makmum and you can see the Imam and he goes into sujood or ruku, and you can see he's already reached like the position of sujood, but he still hasn't finished saying Allahu Akbar. So are you allowed to go down?
Yes, you are. The moment the forehead of the Imam touches the ground, whether he said Allahu Akbar or he's still saying it or he did not start saying it, you can immediately go for sujood. Because what counts is the movement of the Imam, and he is definitely wrong in delaying it this much. In the masjids I pray in, I see many Imams do this mistake. Sami Allahu liman hamida, Rabbana wa lakal hamd, hamdan kathiran tayyiban. Then he goes for sujood. And he touches the ground, and while in sujood he says, Allahu Akbar. Akhi, what are you doing? He says, if I say it midway, a lot of the worshippers, followers behind me can be much quicker than me and probably would go to sujood before I reach. That's on them, not on you. Your takbir should be takbir of movement, not while you're standing like so many imams who are, and I've seen this even on videos, they're so keen on getting their voices on the mic. So while in the standing position after ruku', they say, Allah, and you see them in the videos. Allah, hey, you're praying to Allah. Allahu Akbar. Then he goes to sujood. That's wrong. You can't say Allahu Akbar while standing. And some say, no, I'm gonna teach them to wait until he reaches the ground, then he says Allahu Akbar. And that is also wrong. The moment you start to move, you say Allahu Akbar. So by the time you end, you're almost in sujood or just before sujood. If the people move before you finish saying Allahu Akbar, though they can't see you, that's on them, not on you. You should follow the sunnah, and Allah knows best.